If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of any future videos. You will need kraft brown wrapping paper, double-sided tape, POSCA pens. We've used 1mm and 3mm nib sizes in various colours, and templates. Start by downloading and printing the free templates using the link in the description below. There are 5 festive designs to choose from. To transfer the design, select your pen colours and give them a shake to get the paint flowing. Press the nib down onto a scrap piece of paper until you see the paint flow down into the nib. Once you have decided on your design, begin drawing. The printed templates can either be used as a guide for you to draw freehand, or they could be transferred using tracing paper. Work across the paper from left to right so that the design is evenly spread across the wrapping paper. POSCA pens can take a few seconds to dry. If your hand or arm will be overlapping a part of the design recently drawn, place a scrap piece of card over the top to avoid any paint transferring to your clothing or hand. Make sure to check the underside of the card for any wet paint marks before placing it down. Once you have covered enough wrapping paper, leave the design to dry completely. Then it's time to wrap your presents and place them under your tree.